Good morning children, welcome to your social science session, and today we are going to do the topic peninsula as well as coastal plains. Okay, so in our previous class we have completed till island, and today we are going to do peninsula and coastal plains. Okay, so these two are the last remaining landforms we are going to study, and from the next class we will study with the water bodies. Okay, so peninsula. Children, you have to open your discovering books to page number 49. Okay. So, a peninsula is a mass of land that is surrounded by water on three sides and connected to the mainland on one side. So, what is a peninsula? I'll draw one for you over here. So, if this is the southern part of India, ये हमारे इंडिया का southern part है. Okay, southern part means the south part. Okay, first of all, this landform is connected to three oceans. Okay, the three water bodies. So in the left hand side lies the Arabian Sea, then in the southern part lies the Indian Ocean, and in the right side lies the Bay of Bengal. So over here I will write Arabian Sea. Here I will write Indian Ocean, and here I will write Bay of Bengal. Okay, so children, this is the southern part of India. ये हमारे इंडिया का मैप अगर आप देखोगे तो साउथ में ये सब जगह आती है. Okay, this is the southern part of India. ये इंडिया का साउथ पार्ट है. सो इंडिया का साउथ पार्ट इज द पेनिनसुला. ये पेनिनसुला है. क्यों? क्योंकि दिस इज कनेक्टिंग टू रिवर्स ऑन थ्री साइड्स. दिस पार्ट इज कनेक्टेड टू रिवर्स. इट इज टचिंग द वाटर बॉडीज ऑन थ्री सर्फेसेस. द लेफ्ट सर्फेस इज द बे ऑफ अरेबियन सी. देन द सदर्न पार्ट has Indian Ocean. It is also a water body, and on the right side it is the Bay of Bengal. So that is also a water body. तो ये वाला जो part है, this part is a peninsula, क्योंकि ये three sides से water body से connected है. और this part, this land that is connecting to the other land, ऊपर की सारी land से connected है. So this is the main land. This land is connecting to the main land over here. Okay. So what is a peninsula basically? Peninsula is a part of land. ये पूरा part of land that is connecting to a water body, that is connecting to a water body on three sides. तो ऐसा piece of land जो three sides से तो water body से covered है और one side से किसी और land से connected है. So that land is called a peninsula. India is a large peninsula as it is surrounded by water on three sides. तो इंडिया का जो southern part है ये एक बहुत बड़ा peninsula है, क्योंकि ये three अलग अलग water bodies से touch होता है. इधर तो अरेबियन सी से टच होता है, देन हियर इज एन इंडियन ओशन, एंड हियर इट लाइज द बे ऑफ बंगाल. तो सदर्न पेनिनसुला, द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज कनेक्टिंग टू द वाटर बॉडीज. इट टचेस द वाटर बॉडीज एट थ्री साइड्स, द लेफ्ट साइड, द सदर्न साइड एज वेल एज द राइट साइड. तो वेस्ट में तो अरेबियन सी है, साउथ में इंडियन ओशन है, एंड ईस्ट में what is there? It is the Bay of Bengal. और सिर्फ one side है, that is the north side, which is connecting to different lands or other parts of India. तो इस वाले पार्ट से ये वाला जो एरिया है ये दूसरे लैंड, दूसरे एरियाज ऑफ इंडिया से कनेक्ट होता है, एंड हियर इट कनेक्ट्स टू द वाटर बॉडीज. द अरेबियन सी लाइज इन द वेस्टर्न साइड, द बे ऑफ बंगाल ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड, एंड द इंडियन ओशन इन द सदर्न साइड. ओके, so this was all about peninsula. Now what are coastal plains? So coastal plain is a flat low-lying strip of land along the boundary of a sea or an ocean. तो children, southern peninsula क्या था? It was connecting to the water bodies on three sides. coastal plain में क्या होता है? ऐसा piece of land जो water body से connect होता है only on one side. ओके तो कोस्टल प्लेन क्या है, जो लैंड सिर्फ वन साइड से किसी वाटर बॉडी से कनेक्टेड है, दैट विल बी नोन एज द कोस्टल प्लेन. India has vast area of coastal plains along the southern peninsula. So over here in the map if we see, so this part is connecting to only one ocean, then this part is connecting to different ocean, and this part is connecting to a different ocean. So we divide these areas into different parts, we will see that each of this part is a coastal plain. अगर हम इसी पूरे southern area को ही 3 parts में divide कर देंगे इन 3 seas के according, तो हम क्या देखेंगे कि ये जो parts है, these parts which I am coloring over here, ये वाला part that is connecting to Arabian Sea is connecting to the sea only on one side, और इस वाली side पर आप क्या देख रहे हो, land. Then if I talk about this part which I am coloring over here, this part is connecting to only Indian Ocean. ये ना तो इस वाली सी से कनेक्ट हो रहा है ना इस वाली से, so it is connecting to only one ocean. Okay, and if I draw with a different chalk I'll color so that you can differentiate between the 3. So here you can see the blue part is touching only Arabian Sea, the orange part is touching only Indian Ocean, and the pink part is touching only Bay of Bengal. तो जब सिर्फ a piece of land that touches the water body only on one side, children, that is known as a coastal plain. And all together ये पूरा अगर हम एक साथ कर देंगे तो it is touching 3 water bodies only in one area. So that will be known as peninsula. तो peninsula क्या होता है, जब 3 parts of the same land touching the different water bodies are known as peninsula. Example the southern peninsula. And coastal plain में क्या होता है, one piece of land that is connecting to only one water body at a time. तो ये वाला piece of land that is colored with blue is touching only Arabian Sea. This piece of land is touching only Indian Ocean, and this piece of land is touching only Bay of Bengal. And अगर हम इन तीनों को प्लस कर देंगे, इन तीनों को एक साथ कोलैबोरेट कर देंगे, एक साथ जोड़ देंगे, then we will see that these parts touch different oceans, different water bodies at different places. तो जब हम इनको ऐड कर देंगे we will get a peninsula, and if we separate them we will get coastal plains. So India has a vast area of coastal plains along the southern peninsula. It is neither very hot nor very cold in coastal plains. तो coastal plains में ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है और ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है. An example of coastal plain is the coastal plain of Kerala in the South India. So Kerala lies in the southern part, and Kerala is also a kind of coastal plain. Okay, because it connects with a water body. So children, हमने water body से related 3 चीज़ें पढ़ी, island, peninsula और coastal plain. तो island क्या था? A piece of land that is surrounded by water on all the sides. Peninsula क्या था? A piece of land, ये पूरा piece of land that is surrounding by water on 3 sides, and one part is connecting to the mainland. फिर हमने coastal plains पढ़ा, a part of land that is surrounded by water that is touching or connecting to water only on one side. Example, this part is touching the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, this part is touching to the Indian Ocean, and this part, this is the eastern part, is touching to the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now children, you are required to open page number 50 in the books, and we'll do match the following. Okay. Children, in this what you have to do, you have to match the following on the basis of their properties or characteristics. First is valley. तो valley क्या है? Surrounded by water? No. Low lying strip of land along the boundary of sea? No. Low lying area between hills and mountains. तो mountains और hills के बीच में से जो area आता है that is known as a valley. So I have written A over here. Then plateau, surrounded by water on 3 sides? No. Flat low lying strip, low lying तो होता ही नहीं है. This is already A. Then this is table land. Yes. Plateau is also known as table land or high land. So I have written B over here. Then next is island, Surrounded by water on 3 sides? No, it is surrounded by water on all the sides. Low-lying strip of land along the boundary of sea or ocean? नहीं, because island is totally covered with water body. This is already done, this is already done. So island is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So I have written C over here. Then is peninsula. So I know peninsula is surrounded by water on the 3 sides. So I have written D over here. Then the last one is coastal plains. So coastal plains surrounded by water on 3 sides? No. They are the flat low-lying strip of land along the boundary of sea or ocean. तो कोस्टल प्लेन सिर्फ एक ही सी और ओशन से कनेक्ट होते हैं. सो आई हैव रिटन ई ओवर यू. ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What will you pack if you are going to vacation on an island? तो आपको पता है अगर हम किसी आइलैंड पे जा रहे हैं तो we cannot return to bring different things. So we should take some things with us that are very necessary. और अगर आप किसी वेकेशन पे जा रहे हो जो आइलैंड पे है, आइलैंड से आप बार बार तो आ नहीं पाओगे बिकॉज इट इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर. तो आपको अगेन बोट से या शिप से जाना आना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स यू विल पैक इफ यू विल गो ऑन वेकेशन टू एन आइलैंड? सो यू हैव टू राइट इट ऑन योर ओन. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. We shall continue with the next topic, water bodies, in our next class. Okay.